Dia gandeng itu. Well, first to start the machine, you have to press Control Start on the main panel. Once you press the Control Start in the main panel, go back to the operator panel, which is situated on the outfit of the machine. You will find the screen loading. Please wait. As the screen gets loaded, you will get the first operator menu page, which will reflect the machine manufactured by Santosh Converting Machinery. You press on the screen, you will find the web control page, in which you have to set your job preferences, such as unwinded tension. This is your set tension, this is the actual tension, and the diameter which will be on the actual will be reflected here. From here you can see the direction of the top unwinder or the bottom. Same as for rewinder, set your tensions, see the actual tensions and the actual diameter of the rewinder. For an example, it is 170. So now the material is already rewinded and you can see 170 diameter on it. Here are the two modes of the machine, that is, one is auto and second is manual. As you press it, it will show you a password screen, and the password is 123. Press enter. Okay, you will be out of that window, and now again press it. After touching the same button, the machine will go in manual mode. Again touching, it will go in auto. So this way we turn the machine into manual mode. While turning the machine into manual mode, it is for the cylinder cleaning and ink removal purpose, in which you can see how to disengage the cylinder. First you will have to lift up the knob. And पीछे खींच. You can see, just to lift up the knob and take it on the back side. This is how you disengage your cylinder, and your shafting is free. Just to remove the shafting, you have to remove this cover of the housing, lift up the shaft out of the housing. When you want to engage it, just hold the shaft and disengage it again. Your shaft is disengaged with the motor. Same way for the rubber rollers. These are the housing blocks on which you have screws to tight. Just open the screw and remove the shafting and load your size of the rubber roll. For rubber roll pressures, you have impression roll, engage and disengage. These are the regulators to show the pressure for gear side and the operator side. This is disengage. For the dryer, you have an option for close and open. As you say open, it will get open. As you do it close, it will get closed. Same way for the doctor blade, we have engage and disengage mode and emergency stop on all the stations. For here, on the main touch screen, you have settings page. Over here you have to say exhaust blower. Over here you have to say exhaust blower on. As you do on, then only from this switch you can either turn it on the blower or off, and here it will reflect the temperature controlling system which will control your temperatures. This is unwinder operator panel. Over here you have the machine start, stop, speed up, speed down, hold button, and the warning button as to when the operator wants to imply or he want to inform something to his assistant, he can press buzzer button. This is a NAPE engage and disengage which won't be usable right now. As we have shaftless unwinders and rewinders in the machine, we will show you how to engage and disengage the roll. When there is a roll, you have to press declamp. This is an unwinder section where you have written auto, manual, clamp, declamp and in and out. As you say declamp, the plate will declamp the roll. It will push back. You can remove the roll. Again, when you want to engage the roll, bring your trolley inside, put your roll, and then we press it here, clamp. You get your roll clamped. Okay. On the rewinder side also it is the same thing. We have shaftless unwinds and shaftless rewinds. Over here there is an lay-on roll which is also operated pneumatically with the cylinders. Okay, now when you want to start down the machine, you will want to go on the main screen. You have to see all the parameters that you have put. This is the machine set speed. Once you set 50 speed, the machine will run till 50 meters per minute. Now we press start button. Before pressing start button, you will have to always ensure that there is a NAPE on the main cylinder. Now we give it as an engage and disengage. We press engage. The rubber rollers go pneumatically down. Over here we have to again turn down the mode to auto to run the unwind and rewind at the same time with the main motor. Over here we touch it auto, it turns auto, and then we press start button. As you press start button, there will be light over there. As you press the start button, you can see whatever tensions you have given to the unwinders and rewinder, that will be achieved. Once they have achieved, as we have set the 50 speed, you have to press speed up button. As you speed it up, you can see the machine starts moving. Your unwind and rewind have started printing. Going on to the unwinder, once you have seen that your unwinder has started moving, we have a digital edge guiding sensor. We have to adjust the sensor manually in and out, and then after we have to lock it. And over here we have auto manual switch. We turn it auto. It has started edge guiding correction. You can see the screw is rotating forward and reverse. It is correcting the film. It's a very silent machine as everything is running on timing belts and the gearboxes and the motors. Now, as we are running the machine at 50 meters per minute, we'll change the speed and we'll put 150 meters per minute. And we press it enter. As you press enter, the machine actual speed will start growing from 50 to 150. If you want to hold in between, you can press hold button. For an example like that of 90 meters per minute, we press the hold button. The machine is running at 90 meters per minute. Again we press speed up, it will go till 150 non-stop. Now this machine is running vibration-less, very smoothly. You can see the actual speed. We have reached 150 meters per minute and our set speed is also 150 meters per minute. Our tension newtons are stable as we are printing it. Now, when we want to stop the machine, we can press speed down. It will immediately, the speed will start reducing. You can see here, the speed is going 100, 90, 80, and it will slow down. We have 30 seconds ramp down time. Again, when we press speed up, we have 60 seconds ramp up time, in which the machine from 0 to 150 will go in 60 seconds. You can see the speed is increasing. It has reached to the set value of 150 meters per minute. We have the main operator screen in which we have tube light inside, through which we can see what is printing on the main screen. You can see we have very efficient blower system for drying. Again we have over here clamp and declamp for rewind, in and out, as well as for lay on also we have the functions. We have very efficient drying system, blowing system, in which we have incorporated the ducting. The ducting will be placed like this. Over here you can see the damper, through which we can control the pressure of volumes by moving it in, out. You can control the air volume also, and you can lock it. Over here is the duct line which goes into both the printing stations. We have the pneumatic cylinder for dryer lifting. Now we'll show you the web path also, which has been already supplied to you on the file of the machine. You can see this is the unwinder. From this unwinder, the film goes like this into the sensor, then on that roller, and again onto the load cells. These are the load cells for unwinder. The film direction has to be always like this. From here, the film will go in these two rollers on the top, on the bottom, and it will enter into the printing section. We open the hood. We can see after printing, the film goes into the drying hood. It goes back again from the back side of the second dryer. From here it goes again written. From here it comes out, it goes straight up, and from there it comes towards the rewinder station. From here it goes into the main screen, and from there, from the main screen it goes into the load cells of the rewinder, then the second roller, and then on the winding directions. And now we'll do speed down as the roll is about to get finished. Now you can see we'll imply emergency when the roll is about to finish. You can see the speed of emergency. It will stop the machine immediately.